everyone, welcome to Inhenrgy. Today I'm excited to introduce you our first hybrid inverter, the single-phase low-voltage hybrid inverter. This inverter embodies a 3-in-1 function: off-grid, on-grid, and a seamless blend of both. This means whether you are pursuing self-sufficiency or connecting to the grid, it seamlessly caters to your needs. To add to your confidence, this inverter has received several certifications. Here, we briefly mention that these certifications, including CEI 021 and EN 50549, meet the local installation requirements. Let's take a look at real-world applications of this inverter across the globe. From Europe to the globe, our inverters has illuminated multiple locations worldwide, providing users with a stable and efficient energy storage solution. To ensure a clear understanding of the inverter's operational status, we have prepared a monitoring system for you. This is our monitoring interface, offering real-time insights into the inverter's performance.